Topic 26. My favorite teacher's advice. My favorite teacher always gives me good advice that helps me improve my life. One of the best pieces of advice she gave me is never give up and always try your best. These simple words are very powerful and meaningful to me. I remember one time when I felt very tired and discouraged with my studies. I thought the lessons were too difficult and I wanted to stop trying. At that moment, my teacher noticed my situation and spoke to me kindly. She told me that learning takes time and effort and I should not be afraid of making mistakes. Her advice helped me understand that mistakes are part of learning. I started to change my mindset and became more confident. Instead of giving up, I tried again and again. Slowly, I began to understand my lessons better. My teacher also advised me to practice every day. She said that small efforts can lead to big success. I followed her advice by studying a little every day, reading books, and practicing English. This made a big difference in my progress. Another important lesson she taught me is to believe in myself. She always encouraged me and said that I have the ability to succeed. Her words gave me strength and motivation. Now, whenever I face a problem, I remember her advice. I stay calm, work hard, and keep trying. I understand that success does not come quickly, but it comes with patience and effort. I am very thankful for my teacher's advice because it has changed my way of thinking. It helps me not only in my studies, but also in my daily life. I will always remember her words and follow them in the future.